Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Traveler Fun Food Facts. Intermittent fasting has recently become a health trend. Devotees claim it can cause weight loss, improve metabolic health, etc. Every method can be effective, but figuring out which one works best depends on the individual. Today, in this video, I will inform you best food or dishes with their recipes which you can eat while you are doing intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a style of eating in which you go without food for a certain amount of time each day. There are various methods of intermittent fasting like first, fast for 12 hours a day. It means adhere to 12-hour fasting window every day. Second, fasting for 16 hours. Fasting for 16 hours a day and leaving an eating window of 8 hours. It is also known as 16:8 method. Third, fasting for 2 days a week. It is also known as 5:2 diet method. Means eating 5 days a week what you usually eat and reducing your calorie intake for 2 days a week. Fourth, alternate day fasting. It involves fasting every other day. Fifth, a weekly 24-hour fast. Fasting completely for 1 or 2 days a week, also known as eat stop eat diet. Sixth, the warrior diet. It involves eating very little during 20 hours of fasting and taking huge meal within 4-hour eating window. These forms of dieting may not be suitable for everyone. You should speak to a doctor before attempting any form of fasting. Intermittent fasting is a healthy way to boost energy, promote mental clarity, and lose weight. The combination of nutrients will give you the energy you need to enhance the benefits of your fasting journey. Here, I am sharing the best dishes and their recipes to enjoy while practicing intermittent fasting. First, egg scramble with sweet potato. Ingredients required: 1 diced roasted sweet potato, 3 tablespoons oil, 1 diced onion, half yellow bell pepper sliced, 4 egg whites, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 chopped tomato, 1 chopped avocado, 1 spring onion sliced, salt and pepper as per taste. Recipe: in a pan, add oil, heat it and add onion. Saute it. Add bell pepper, again saute it. Later, add egg white, garlic powder, salt, pepper, mix it well. Later add chopped tomatoes, roasted sweet potato. Cook it for 5 to 7 minutes until it is tender. Take out in serving dish, garnish with avocado and spring onion and serve it hot. Second, avocado quesadilla. Ingredients required: 1 tablespoon oil, 1 sliced onion, half bell pepper diced, half cup boiled black beans, chili powder, pinch of salt, 2 diced avocado, 2 flour tortillas, minced coriander, 1 cup shredded cheese, lime juice. Recipe: heat the oil in a skillet, add onion, bell pepper and cook it until it turns golden brown. Now add beans, chili powder, cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer the mixture to a bowl. In a small bowl, mash avocado, add coriander and lime juice. In a pan, add little oil, heat it. Now place 1 tortilla in pan, add cheese. Now add bean mixture and avocado mixture. Spread it evenly over tortilla. Top with second tortilla and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until bottom is brown. Now flip the whole thing and cook again for 2 to 3 minutes until second side is golden brown. Now take it out, cut quesadilla in pieces and serve it with sour cream. Third, peach, banana, and strawberry smoothie. Ingredients required: 2 diced peaches, 1 banana, few chopped strawberries, 1 tablespoon honey, half small cup oats, milk, ground cinnamon, optional. In a mixing jar, add peaches, banana, strawberries, oats, milk, honey, pinch of cinnamon. Blend it until smooth. Take out in serving dish, garnish it, and serve it cold. 4th, Mexican quinoa salad. Ingredients required: 1 cup quinoa, 1½ cup water, half cup cooked corn, half chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, 1 chopped avocado, half cup cooked black beans, 1 teaspoon lime, salt and pepper as per taste. Recipe: take a pan, add water and boil it. Add quinoa and boil on low flame for 10 to 12 minutes until it is cooked. After it is cooked, take it out in a mixing bowl. Add chopped tomatoes, corn, onion, avocado, coriander, black beans. Season with salt and pepper and lemon juice. Mix it well and serve it. 5th, black bean soup. Ingredients required: 1 chopped onion, carrot, 1/4 teaspoon chopped garlic, diced tomatoes, bay leaf, 1 cup boiled beans, pinch of cumin powder, pepper powder, little lemon juice, salt as per taste, 1 cup water, chopped coriander, 1 tablespoon oil. Recipe: heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon oil. Now add chopped onions, carrots, saute it until soft. Add garlic, cumin powder, tomatoes, and bay leaf. Add beans and water and salt. Cook until veggies are tender and it is thick for 10 to 15 minutes. Season with coriander, pepper, and lime juice and serve it hot. Apart from these dishes, you can have few more dishes like vegan lentil burgers, vegan fried fish tacos, veggie packed cheesy chicken salad, oats, turmeric tofu scramble, apple spice muffins, etc. Before you start a fasting diet, take advice from your doctor or nutritionist to make sure you approach it in a way that is healthy for you. So friends, I hope you liked my video. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.